funny, dude. Oh. Hi. Was that good dinner, your ravioli? Was it good? You're pretty dirty from it.
You okay?
I'll give you some grapes. Hey. Hey, ready? Here's some grapes. I'll cut up for you. One at a time, sir. Are those good? Don't throw them off the table, please. Hayden, don't stuff your face, please. Like all of them are going on the ground. Someone likes grapes. Hayden, bye. 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 Hayden, give me 5. Give me 5. Hayden, give me 5. Well, really? Is that true?
What? You can replace it with somebody else, then catch the book and go pick up the drugs. Bam! Got it! Let me get this straight. You're involved in these drugs. Right now,
No, are you done?
We'll leave you on that one. Bye, Hayden. Bye. Who's that? Who's that? Yeah, let's touch pink. Let's touch. Touch! Yay!